Money or cloud? Of course money. What? Something's wrong with this system? My friends would definitely laugh at me. Well, I DC. At least I got something. Let's go. Hi guys. What did y'all pick?
Money, of course.
Real money.
Money. Why, bestie?
I chose money. Hehe.
Why don't you change your avatar?
For real.
Guys, why? Do you care?
Ugh, you'll use Jenilyn for Robux.
Jenilyn is so ugly.
That's my bestie.
Evelyn. Private chat now.
Ugh, why without us?
It's called private. Chat for a reason.
Let's go.
Ugh, what took you? Guys, so long.
That's only 1 minute. Girl, why them took so long? You're weird. Phrase took more long if we compare.
For real, Cheska.
Don't believe her Cheska.
Are you being for real, Karen?
Karen?
She is always for real, girls. NVM, Jenilyn, private chat now.
Why would I private chat with the FAR 3 app?
Lol,
Lol,
she's
she's
late.
laid.
Karen,
Fine. Whatever.
guys, Jenilyn picked the cloud one. She can read minds.
Oh my god, I'm very sorry, Jenilyn. But believe me, I didn't tell her.
Of course I will believe you, Evelyn. Anyways, the truth is I chose money, but it chose the cloud one. I don't know why, but I don't regret it.
Oh, congrats. But proof?
Think of a name.
Emiliana.
Emiliana. But I feel upset when I read y'all minds. Cheska said she will use me for Robux, and Karen said I'm ugly. But the only good thing I've heard is the word I heard from Evelyn.
Oh,
I'm very sorry about that, Jenilyn. I thought you were ugly from outside, but you were literally so nice, and I love your attitude.
Yeah, she is truly nice. And what about you? Cheska, there's no sorry. Or even any apologies from what you did.
why would I?
That is so rude of her, but I still forgive her, because she was also my bestie long time ago.
You are so nice, bestie. How can you forgive her? Even if all she did to you, huh?
Everyone deserves second chance.
True, but not always though.
Ugh, back. Sorry about that. My mother asked for my help.
You should help her instead of talking to us.
That's what I did, Brute.
UHM Cheska.
Jessica, I know you don't like her, but be nice.
Oh, fine. I'm very sorry for what I did. Jenilyn, I even used you for Robux. And I even scared you and tell you that if you didn't give me Robux, I will make Evelyn hate you. I hope you can forgive me.
Of course. Let's claim too.
Okay,
Sure, Estelle.
Oh my God, I love you too. Of course.
All right. Join me.
Okay.
Let's go.